Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the external source or recruitment from outside. The external source of recruitment of employee means inviting application from filling up the vacancy from candidate outside the organization. External sources are mostly used for filling vacancy in the lower ranking. Sometimes this source is also tapped in fill up special category of the post. The main external source of recruitment are under points. First, direct recruitment. Sometime information about the vacant post in the pasted on the board placed at a important place by the organization. Such information is usually displayed at the workshop, office, or factory gate. People who are interested in this job apply for them, and this method of recruitment is meant only for the recruitment of unskilled workers. They are called casual labor and they are paid wages on daily basis. This method of does not require any advertisement and therefore it is cheap. Next, casual collar. It may reputed organization. Some really talented and brilliant people continue sending their application from time to time with the hope that whenever some need arise, they may come across an opportunity for the appointment. A waiting list of such people is prepared, and when some vacancy arises, these people are called. Next, media advertising. Media is an effective way of finding the out employees from outside the organization. Through it, people are attracted toward the organization for higher and medium level of job in large number. Advertisement is made with the help of newspaper, employment news, television, magazine. The advertisers give information about the number of vacant posts and nature of the job, required qualification, remuneration, etc. Next, employment exchange. Employment exchange are set up by the government is almost all the district name and other particular of job seeker are recorded in the employment registers. Under this center, personal manager forward information regarding a vacant job to the employment exchange consent, and employment officer is turned forward the name of the applicant which requested qualification from among those entered in his register to the organizations. Manager of the organization interviewed them and make selection as per the requirement. Next, placement agency. These days placement agency are coming up as a good source of external recruitment. These agency are established by the private individual. People can get their name and register with them, and such registration does usually on higher and medium level of job. Next, management consult. These day management consult are available in the market. These firms are expert in the recruitment of regional staff. In case of vacant managerial posts and organization, their help can be sought. These firms are already in contact with a suitable candidate for the managerial post. Then campus recruitment, it is referred to the recruitment from the educational institution. Some big organizations remain in touch with the educational institution with the purpose of recruiting young talent people. These people come from the college, university, management institute, technical institutes, etc. And these institutions have the placement cell each with the purpose of helping their young student to find suitable job. Next, recommendation. With the view of establish good employer relations, sometimes manager recruit people on the recommendation of their existing employee. In this way, present employee feel increased and there is complete control over new employee. This source is mostly used for appointing a lower level employee. Next, labor contractor. They are likely between the labor and manager. They remain in contact with both the labor and the manager, as when the manager put up demand of labor, these contractors make available their supply in no time. This system of labor contracting is very much popular in the road construction, building construction, and plantation industry. And next, telecasting. These days some of big organizations give presence to the telecasting their job requirement. During the course of telecasting, information about vacant post and qualification, experience, or other special characteristics of the company are displayed. Thank you.